और प्लम्बर को काम करें। आप दोनों लोग बाहर का काम करके आ जाओ, कैंटीन का कर लो और प्लम्बर को आते समय उसे बिठाई लाओ प्लम्बर को। Students, another additional questions. This time I have the answers as well with you. Let me revise them with you. Okay. And then once I discuss 5 or 6, then again I'll ask you. Let me see. My main purpose is that you learn the answers here only while we are discussing. Name the technique based on the principle of antigen antibody interaction used in the detection of HIV. Yes, it is ELISA. What is the full form?
Enzyme linked immunosorbent array.
Yes, yes. Okay. We'll move on to the next one very quickly. Swish. Okay, next one. Beta, very spelling of immuno, very carefully you need to see. All of you. It is not single M, it is double M. Development of a transgenic food crop may help in solving the problem of night blindness. Name this crop plant.
Golden rice.
Yes. Please keep learning with me. 10 at a time. Which nematode infects the roots of a tobacco plant and causes a reduction in the yield? Tell me. We had done this. Yes, Melodicine. Please see the spelling also carefully. The first transgenic cow produced human protein enriched milk. Name the cow and the protein. What was the name of the cow? First transgenic cow.
Rosie.
Rosie. And the protein produced was alpha lactalbumin. Please learn it here. Alpha lactalbumin. The insulin producing using recombinant DNA technology is more advantageous than the insulin extracted from the pancreas of slaughtered cattle and pigs. Why? Because the one which we got from cattle, it caused what? It used to cause allergy. Why was it harmful, beta? Because it used to cause what in people? Allergy. Name two pest-resistant plants produced by using recombinant DNA technology. We have done this.
BT
You can-
cotton, flower saber tomato.
Yes, very good. Very good. Name the genetically engineered human insulin. What is it?
Humulin.
Good. What is the scientific name of the nematode that attacks the roots of tobacco plant?
Mylodecine incognita.
Patent, I told you. Okay, foreign countries taking away our things, we had done that. So let's talk about patents now. How do you define a patent? Patent is the government protection to the investor of biological material, securing to him a specific time the exclusive right of manufacturing. No need to do, just remember this. Patent means you have the right of manufacturing, using and selling your own invention. These are the only keywords. Rights of manufacturing, exploiting, using and selling. Supposing I discover something, then only I have the right to manufacture it, exploit it for my use it and sell it in the market. So I'll say I have got a patent of this stuff. Expand GEAC. This we had done. Full form of GEAC.
Genetic Engineering Approval Committee.
So this we just did. First transgenic cow was?
Dolly.
Was it Dolly? Was it Dolly, children?
Then it was Rosie.
Yes, it was Rosie. It was not Dolly. Dolly was the first sheep that we had done. In class 9, 10, you must have done. It's Rosie, it's not Dolly. Which vaccine was being tested on mice?
Polio. Polio vaccine.
15 questions we'll do. Then we'll revise once again. I'll ask you. Name the bacterium which is used to produce insect-resistant plants. We had used this bacteria. What was its name?
Bacillus thuringiensis.
Yes. Name any disease which vaccine is developed using recombinant DNA technology. Any one vaccine by which we have made a vaccine by recombinant DNA technology. Which vaccine is this?
Hepatitis B vaccine.
Yes, beta. Yes, hepatitis B. Name the technique which is used to detect HIV in suspected AIDS patients. Is this the correct answer? Tell me. Yes.
No, ma'am.
No. What is the correct answer then? Come on, children, I want this answer from you. Okay. Please answer this 15th question. Name the technique which is used to detect HIV in suspected AIDS patients. How many of you feel this is a correct answer? And those who feel the wrong answer, then what is the correct answer? Beta, do you agree or you do not agree with the 15th answer? First question is, you feel this is correct. If it is correct, well and good. If not, then we'll discuss what could be the answer.
Ma'am, it is no.
Okay, one of your friends says it is wrong. HIV cannot be detected by PCR method. Others?
Yes, ma'am, it is wrong.
Sure?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, it is wrong. Which is the answer? The first answer that we did. What was it? ELISA. Which was the test we did? ELISA. That is used to detect HIV infection beta. Okay, remember this. So, initial test is done by this, and later we do Western blot test to confirm this. Initially, if there is a suspect, ELISA test is done. And if there are chances that yes, person seems to be positive, then confirmation test. If ELISA test is positive, then there's another test which is done to confirm. That is called as a Western blot test. Okay, my children? This is wrong. It should be ELISA. Name any two diseases for which transgenic mice are used as model organisms. We just did. We had discussed about vaccine being used for mice. You could have taken that also.
Polio.
Yes, one is polio. You can take polio. First is polio, then it is arthritis, fibrosis. Cry and cry. See the difference. Very important question. Please read the answer. Cry is a gene which codes for Bt toxin. We know about this. And it's an insecticidal protein. You remember? It goes inside the gut and then it kills because the medium is
Alkaline.
very good.
Alkaline.
Excellent, children. And CRRY capital is a protein which is coded by cry genes. See the difference between them. Cry is the gene and the protein which it makes is this capital CRY. So do it again. CRY is a gene which codes for Bt toxin. It's an insecticidal protein. And this cry is the protein coded by this gene. Any two diseases for which gene therapy has been proved effective? ADA. You remember this deficiency? We had
Yes,
talked
ma'am.
about a girl with this deficiency. You remember? ADA?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens if a person has this problem, this disease, ADA?
It becomes immunity.
Yes, beta. The immunity becomes very low, very, very low. So we had talked about this disease, ADA. What are the two methods for correcting ADA deficiency? One was bone marrow transplantation, and second was the enzyme replacement therapy. Bone marrow was difficult because it has to be done regularly after a few months or a few years. So the easier one and the better one is this one. Which one? Enzyme replacement. Some crop plants are modified genetically by manipulating the genes. How are they made beneficial? How can a plant be beneficial? You can think about it. It can tolerate stress. It is pest resistant. Post-harvest losses are less and nutritional value is more. So there are 4 points. It can tolerate abiotic stress. It is resistant to pests. Very less post-harvest losses and increased nutrition value of the food. Yes, Bacha, we just talked about GEAC. You remember? Full form? Tell me the full form.
Genetic engineering approval committee.
Yes, good. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. What are the two main functions? It takes decisions regarding the validity of GM research. Supposing we are doing a research, then it will only decide whether our research is valid, correct or not. And safety of introducing a GMO. I just cannot sell any GMO. First, they will test whether this is safe or not. There are many other functions. You can take any two. This we did examples, if you remember, American company. industrialized nations are exploiting the bioresource of under-industrialized nations. Justify the statement with an example. We were talking about under-industrialized country like India. And we had discussed an example that American company got a patent on what? Which rice?
Golden rice.
Basmati
Basmati
rice.
rice.
And also one more thing, remember, turmeric used for treatment of wounds. That is also another example of this. If they ask you 2 examples, now the patent is with them. See, your golden rice has come, child. You were talking about golden rice. What is golden rice? What is its advantage? This is a modified variety of rice which contains a gene which has production of which vitamin?
A. Vitamin A. Vitamin
This
A.
has green color, greenish yellow colored grains. It is very rich in vitamin A. So its advantage is only that it is very rich in which vitamin?
Vitamin A.
Yes. This is the scope of biotechnology. This is not a difficult question. This is scope. When I started, I shared my notes. This was the second thing I did. Providing the best catalyst, creating optimal conditions, and downstreaming processes. These are the 3 main things in biotechnology. Providing best catalyst, creating optimal conditions, and downstreaming processes. What are downstreaming processes in biotechnology? Testing, purification, packaging, and selling. That is the last step. That is what we call as downstreaming. First, we get a test done. If everything is okay, we are going to pack it. We're going to launch it in the market. This entire process is what we call as downstream processing. What do you mean by conventional methods, children?
Traditional methods.
Methods.
Yes. Read this answer.
Those
Advantage.
methods.
Very good. Molecular diagnostics. We had talked about this also. By the time with the what were the 2 traditional methods we had discussed when we did the chapter? One was urine and second was urine analysis and serum analysis. These are the 2 traditional methods. They tell us about a disease, but they can only tell only once the symptoms are there. By the time what happens is the amount of pathogen in the body is already very high. So this is very, very harmful. But with molecular diagnosis, even if there's one pathogen, we can detect it by the help of which technique?
PCR. PCR.
Suppose when the one pathogen enters your body, it will not show symptoms. It will first multiply in number. When they become thousands of them, only then the effect is shown. Okay. So this is only possible in advanced techniques. I hope you know about GMOs. What kind of a GMO will be there? What kind of a GMO you're getting will depend on 2 things. You have to properly insert your foreign gene, number 1. Okay. And then you need to properly harvest these GMOs. You have to properly insert your foreign gene, and number 2, you have to properly harvest your GMOs. Like we were talking about golden rice just now. You cannot harvest it like the normal rice. Proper harvesting. What do you mean by biopiracy? Beta, I hope you know about this. Biopiracy. Tell me what is biopiracy? Tell me quickly, what is biopiracy? We just talked about an American company taking the patent for which rice?
Basmati rice. Basmati rice.
So this is an example of biopiracy. If I discover something and I share it with you and you're not even aware about patent system, then I will take a patent in my name. That company would go by my name and I would sell and I would make a lot of money. So that is piracy, dhokadhadi. And when we are doing it with biological products, then that is called as piracy. We have another piracy we talked about. Okay, cyber piracy, people stealing data from your accounts or your personal details. That is another kind of piracy we come across. We have piracy in movies also. So piracy means some forgery. And if you're doing it in biological products, it is known as biopiracy. Okay, this is simple. Who is known as the father of microscopy?
Leeuwenhoek.
Do you agree with the answer, children? Father of microscopy? Why Leeuwenhoek you think is the correct answer? Yes, Vijay. Why do you think so?
Ma'am, I read it somewhere.
Okay, you got it from there. Fine. Let me scroll back first. Let me revise these questions with you. Just give me 1 minute. Let me go back. Let's talk about biopiracy. Again, a few more details about biopiracy is what we were discussing. Okay, you read about biopiracy now, beta. Let's move on to transgenic bacteria. We've already discussed basmati rice so many times. Transgenic bacteria. Read about them quickly. After you read, share it with me and tell me. Yes, beta, share it with me. What did you read? Come on, share it with me. Children, you need to speak out, beta. Tell me.
Ma'am, in those bacteria in which gene of interest is added, then it is called the transgenic bacteria.
Excellent, beta. Very few people take the initiative to speak out. Very good, beta. The gene of interest is inserted out in then such kind of a bacteria. What is the example they've given you? What is the example? Tell me. You tell. Why do you want to see? You can tell me like this only. Yes. Give me an example of any transgenic bacteria, beta.
E. coli in which A and B chains of insulin are introduced.
Anyone else apart from this child? Yes, beta. We had talked about insulin, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
E. coli bacteria, 2 DNA sequences produced in plasmids, okay, for production of insulin. So that would be the best example used for insulin. 2 examples of products of transgenic animals can be used to produce our product. Yes, Vache, what is the name of the protein on your screens? Alpha 1?
Antitrypsin.
Antitrypsin.
It is used to treat which disease?
Emphysema.
It is used to treat emphysema. Good, Bache. Name the protein once again so that you remember it.
Alpha 1 antitrypsin.
And second one, we had already done this word. Another protein is alpha-lactalbumin. Where did we do? This was related to deficiency of which disease? Tell me.
ADA disease.
Yes, very good. ADA. Now read this question. How is autoradiography used to detect a mutant gene? Read quickly. Tell me the answers. Right, Peter? What do
No,
you mean by
ma'am.
radiography? See, auto means on its own. What we simply do is either we take a RNA or we take a single stranded DNA. We insert a radioactive molecule. Once it goes and gets hybridized, what will happen in this? The one which will have the changed gene will not come on a film. So we will get to know which one is altered, which one is not altered. Where the change has come, where the change has not come. Because which ones do not come on the screens? Those which have a mutated gene, a different gene, they will never come on the photographic film. Why did bacterial toxin, this one we had discussed many times, does not kill the bacteria but only the insects? Though we've done it many times, gut, alkaline medium, same answer, just read it once. Remember we had discussed about this toxic material? Insecticidal protein. Let's discuss quickly today on the biotechnology part. It does not kill this because it is in inactive form, and inactive of toxin is called as prototoxin. Once it enters, it is converted into active form because of what medium in the gut?
Alkaline medium.
Yes. This toxin will bind to the epithelial cells of midgut and it will create pores. Okay, it will create. This is an easy one. 4 applications of biotechnology. Application simply means uses better. Just read where is it used for, and then let me discuss with you.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Tell me about the uses.
Crop can tolerate high temperature and pest resistant and efficiency of minerals and nutritional value of food is enhanced.
Very good. See, she'll speak out now. Once you speak out, you always remember. Many students do not take the initiative for speaking out. You can have different answers for this. You have to give me any 4 uses of biotechnology. Beta, this question I've done many times with you. How is recombinant insulin produced by genetic engineering? Please read the answer. We have already done it many times. Earlier, we were getting it from pancreas of sheep and all that. So how do we produce artificial insulin? Read it, let's discuss.
Ma'am, red.
Yes, Pichi. Tell me. How many chains and what was it? Please explain the answer.
In proinsulin, 3 chains are present, that is alpha, beta, and
Very
C-peptide
good.
chain. And on maturing, C-peptide chain is removed.
Very good,
So
beta.
it
Very good. Very good. No one else can speak even the simple answer, beta, about insulin. What are these chains called? What are these peptide chains called as, beta?
alpha, beta, A, B, and C peptide chain.
Yes, beta. A, B, and C. Which one gets separated later when C changes to 2?
C-peptide chain.
So that means artificial insulin has how many chains?
2 chains.
2 chains.
And what is artificial insulin called?
Humulin.
Very good, beta. It is called humulin. Excellent, Pichi. Very good. Now let's move further a little. Let me first discuss today some important questions of biotechnology. Now we move on to 3 marks questions. Okay. Some multinational companies and other organizations are using bioresources for commercial benefits. We have done this, Bache. Give the term used for the unauthorized act.
Biopiracy.
Biopiracy.
Very good. And how can you get rid of this? Benefits can be shared between developed and developing nations, and laws should be made which are very, very strict. So biopiracy, you must have understood that this topic is very important. This also topic you must have seen, we've done it so many times. Let me hide the answer. Tell me all the 3 answers of this part. Question number 2. It's very easy. I've discussed many times with you. Hurry up, Bache. Should I discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer to the first part.
Ma'am, because it's inactive.
It is produced in an inactive form.
Very good, Bache. Now, children, this fun topic is we have done it so many times. Okay? What type of changes occur in the gut of insects on consuming this protein? We just talked about what happens to the epithelial membrane, what is created.
Ma'am, alkaline pH.
And then we have pores, because of which the cell ultimately dies. How man has used this protein for his benefit? by producing BT cotton and BT corn because it becomes
Make
toxic.
insecticidal plants.
Very good, very good. Let's do this one. This is, I'll be showing you a chart over here. Just try and complete the flowchart. Is it possible? Could you do it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, what is the syllabus for UP?
Beta, we have the last unit only. And I'm planning to add on biotechnology also. I think it will be too much for you people. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Last unit and 2 chapters of biotechnology, 6 chapters would be fine.
No,
Or only
ma'am.
okay, only the last unit, 4 chapters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Half yearlies
Thank
will
you,
have
ma'am.
more chapters. This you will not be able to do it in the. It's confusing because it's too much. So you will not be able to answer side by side to me. Let me not do this with you because this you need on papers only. Only then you will understand what it is. Okay, let's do this. Why transgenic animals are produced? They've given you 5 reasons. Please read and let's discuss. After you read, keep telling me points. Start speaking with one point each. Let's discuss.
Ma'am, to understand how genes are regulated.
To understand the
I keep waiting. Only those 1 or 2 students who always give a response in the class. Okay, continue,
ma'am,
Beta.
only
You
2 students are present.
okay? Only Ananya and Mansi. Very nice. Too good. Anji, Beta, you people only tell me the points quickly. Other points, Ananya, Mansi.
Ma'am, to test the safety of vaccines.
You've heard about transgenic animals. We've done some examples also. So they're asking you about what? What does the question say? How are they useful to us? Okay, that is what the question says. How are they useful? Can you name any two transgenic animals we just read about?
Ma'am, Rosie and Dolly.
Very good. Rosie and Dolly. What is Rosie?
Ma'am, cow.
Transgenic cow.
Transgenic cow.
Yes. Cow. Two good. And what about the other name that you took, Dolly?
Transgenic sheep.
Yes, it's a transgenic sheep. Okay. How is Rosie more better or comparatively more efficient than the normal cows? How is this breed better or more efficient better? It's a
Ma'am,
transgenic
because
cow. Yes. Tell me. How
ma'am,
is
because
it
she
better?
ma'am, because she produced